Hey you guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how I recreated this black and white abstract art that's right behind me. I am so pleased and happy with the way that it came out. I almost can't believe that I did this myself, but I was inspired by Restoration Hardware and West Elm pieces that I've seen, and they go for thousands of dollars. And there's no need to spend that much. You can definitely do this yourself, and I will show you guys how to do this. I went ahead and bought the canvas at Ross for only $12.99. I believe this is a 36 by 48 in size, and I also bought spackle, black and white paint, and of course the paintbrush to go with it. So the first thing I did was I went ahead and spread the spackle all over the canvas, and don't be fooled by the purple. It's going to turn white after a while. Just go ahead and apply it all throughout the painting to just give it like that 3D effect and make it look more high-end. So that's exactly what I did. I just spread it all throughout. I let it sit for about 30 to 45 minutes until it got completely dry and white. And then after that, I went ahead and applied white paint over it. Not completely all over because I wanted to kind of have like that organic look. So I just covered the spackle pieces and then let it sit for another hour or so. Once that dried, this is where I had so much fun, you guys, and you cannot go wrong. You grab your black paint and your brush, and then you just do your strokes or your linear strokes, your circular strokes, whatever look you're going for. You can't go wrong. It's gonna look beautiful at the end of the day. What I did was I took screenshots on my phone to just kind of like guide me and show me exactly where I want my lines and how I want them. So I just had it right in front of me and I was just kind of going by that. And you can't mess up. Like if there's something you don't like, you could always just fix it at the end and it will look amazing. So this is what the end piece looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys were inspired to do something like this yourself as well. There's no need to spend thousands of dollars on a single art piece when you could just do it yourself. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and give it a thumbs up if you did. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.